Stacy is the puzzler. Oreo, what are you doing?
Do you not make her?
No.
Are you the teacher?
Are you gonna get it, Oreo?